Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the BinaxNOW. This is a COVID-19 antigen self-test that you do at home from Abbott Labs, a very reputable company. It's a simple nasal swab test. You get fast results in 15 minutes. Now, if you don't have symptoms, this will still detect COVID-19, but they recommend you do 2 tests over a day period. They mention that right here. There is an app you can download right there. So what this kit has inside here is 2 COVID-19 test cards, 2 nasal swabs, 2 reagent bottles and patient instructions, and a fact sheet for individuals. Now when you get this product, it does have safety seals on both sides. Make sure that those are intact. Now we're going to open this up. See what's inside here. Okay, let's take a look. Let's separate these things out. So this here looks like the 2 nasal cotton swab pieces, and this looks like 2 of what's going to hold these after you put them in your nose. And then here is the little test pads that you're going to put, I believe, this on. So I've never used this product before. There's also information on here how to test this and how to use this. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to read this and study this for you, and then we're going to demonstrate how this works and have my wife try it out. So we're going to be trying this now. I'm going to read the directions right here. So we have a timer, we have the card, swab, and a little bottle. So I think the first thing you want to do is you want to take the card out, and it just rips across. And they say lay it flat.
Is it this way? Oh, it's this way.
And they talk about a control line. Where's the control line on there? Right there.
Yeah, it shows blue.
So there's the blue control line.
They say you can bend it like this to get it to lay flat.
So they're calling that the top hole and the lower hole, and that's the test strip itself, and the result window is right there, I guess. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the dropper bottle cap that it comes with.
So you break that off, and I pour that
And
into
you go not 90 degrees, you got to go at 0 degrees. You
to
put
top hole?
six drops
into the top hole.
into the top hole. It has to be 90 degrees.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, now let's turn the page here. Keep fingers away from swab and open swab. So on the bottom the bottom.
Well, it opened on the top, but I won't touch the swab.
Right, you're supposed to open it from the bottom. That's why I started it. Okay, so now we don't touch the top of the swab. That says insert the entire soft tip of the swab into the nostril, usually 1/2 3/4 of an inch, and it says make 5 big circles.
But it says 15 seconds.
With swab. So we have a timer right here, so we're going to start the timer.
I already did 3 seconds.
Okay, so now you can do it, and I'll edit it out. Now we're doing the next nostril. Another 15 seconds. They tell you to rotate 5 big circles.
Okay.
And they say make sure you did both nostrils. Then it says keep the card flat, insert swab tip into lower hole. So you're inserting it in there. Firmly push the swab tip from the lower hole till it's visible at the top hole. Do not
That's what I
remove
did.
the swab from the card. So is it all the way in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's sitting right there in the fluid.
Then I have to do this.
That says turn swab to right 3 times to mix the swab into the
1,
drops.
2, 3.
Do not skip this step. Leave the swab in the card for the remainder of the test. Okay, so you turned it and they say,
I have to peel this.
hold on. It says, do not remove swab. Peel adhesive liner off. Be careful not to touch other part of card. Close left side of card over swab. So you're rotating the left side into that sticky portion right there.
Now I time it.
Then it says, do not remove or touch the card during this time. Wait 15 minutes. Now we can put the timer on again. Did you clear it out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to wait 15 minutes for the results. Okay, so it's been over 15 minutes. You want it to wait to that time, but don't go beyond 30 minutes of test results. So if you look at the card, you have to look really closely, and you see it has the original line on top, but there's no purple line on the bottom. Even there's no faint line on the bottom. So that means that she does not have any COVID in her body at this time. So you do have a chart that kind of shows you the amount of variance that you could have on there. So it could be a real faint line, but she does not have any COVID. So what do I think about this BinaxNOW COVID-19 test? I think it works really well. First time you do it, it's a little awkward because you're learning something new, but the next time you do it, it'll be really straightforward. So it's the first time we ever did this test. So I think it's really accurate. I think it was relatively simple to do, so I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented will help you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.